Hello. So this assignment is research grids and complete design brief. So you research some grids and then you create a design brief that includes your brand name, project overview, project objectives, target audience, tone, and voice. And then you combine everything. So I am looking at a couple of your pieces. So this has like a clip art box and lots of different fonts and sizes and a nice grid. However, it's not filled out. So the assignment was more interested in the actual content rather than an attempt at layout. So that's why it said complete design brief. So when you do a design, you'll get a design brief from your client in one regard or another. If you're lucky, you're going to get something that is this specific. However, you're probably just going to get a paragraph about what they want. And if you really want the information, then you send them something like this, and hopefully they'll fill it out. 9 times out of 10, they'll ignore you though and just keep repeating what you had to say, what they had to say. All right, so those are good examples of grids. I did notice that there's like some spelling errors in here, so you want to double check your work before you submit it. That was for Katie. And let's see, Lucy also did not fill out the questions. It's a fantastic example of a grid, and I'm actually interested in that story, so I'm going to have to zoom in and look at it. And I also really appreciated that you went to the trouble to lay out this as well. It's very interesting, isn't it? Okay, so you guys need to give me the content. I do admire that you interpreted it as a design challenge, though. But we're going to kickstart this project. I need to know your answers. All right, let me know if you have any questions.